In Loveland, Colorado, protecting your business and property has never been more important. At Secure Controls, we deliver advanced security solutions tailored to your need. Our services include state-of-the-art security camera systems for 24/7 monitoring, giving you crystal clear visibility of your property day or night. We also provide reliable intruder alarm systems to detect and deter threats, ensuring your business stays secure even when you're not there. Need seamless communication? Our modern intercom systems offer convenient and controlled access for both commercial and residential properties. Whether you're managing a small office, a retail store, or a large facility, our professional installations and expert support make securing your property effortless. We understand the unique challenges of businesses in Loveland, and we're here to help. Secure Controls, your trusted partner in safety and security. Visit securecontrols.com or call us today to learn more.